Hello everyone. Zikhale ke manje ngempela kuNgizwe. Ngizwe Mchunu shed tears when he appeared in court. He told the magistrate he was frustrated by the postponement of the case. He said he was arrested for expressing his freedom of expression. He went on to say, "I'm respecting the court. If you want to arrest me, arrest me. If you hang me, so be it." He is accused of instigating the unrest in parts of the country in July 2021. He was dressed in isiZulu regalia and told the magistrate RG Sadiki in isiZulu that the case had been impacting his life negatively. Supporters who accompanied him were also clad in traditional gear and they sang traditional songs and bent impepo and also used intelezi for protection. They left their sticks and spears outside the main entrance when they entered the building. Ngizwe shed tears in court and used his towel to wipe them. After he heard that the case could be postponed, he told the magistrate that "I respect the law in this country. There are South Africans who respect the rule of law. It's the only hope we have. There is a lot of political interference from politicians. As a poor man from Kandla, I have suffered a lot. If I won't be able to make it to court tomorrow, there will be problems. I was only expressing myself after the arrest of a freedom fighter, former President Jacob Zuma. I was only practicing my freedom of expression. I don't know who caused the July 2021 disaster. After not finding the culprit, the police targeted me. I'm a noble South African citizen who never fought nor was arrested before. I am a cultural activist. Zuma is from my village. We were only expressing displeasure at his arrest as neighbors. President Cyril Ramaphosa never spoke against Zuma's arrest. That is the reason I am here, my lord. These postponements may be a result of political interference. I have met with the police minister Zikhale and asked him why I was arrested. He replied that I knew why I was arrested. He also said, "Can this matter end? If I may be arrested, then I must be arrested now. I respect the rule of the law. How many criminals are out there? Illegal minors are raping women in this country and they are not arrested. The law is arresting innocent people like myself. I thank the court for giving me the space to talk. I am an ordinary citizen who raised his voice. Can you imagine the cost I incurred? I'm not a businessman." Sadiki responded and said, "I hear you. We have to follow the procedure. I have made a ruling that I marked this postponement final. We will ensure that at your next appearance we proceed with this matter," and is scheduled to appear in court again on 5 December. He faces charges of inciting public violence and breaching the Disaster Management Act. Share your views on this one, good people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.